Hey my YouTube friends, this is my part 2 of the first video I made public today, and if you don't see it today, it would have been, hold on here, I'll find out in a minute. I think today's what, Friday? Yeah, you would have seen the first one Friday, the the 3rd. That's when you would be seeing that one, and then this one should be up by tomorrow, which should be the 4th. So then we'll go from there, my friends. Thank you for hanging in there. I hope you enjoyed the videos.
Hello. Today we're going to take Brandon's chainsaw apart and give it a cleaning, blow it out, and sharpen the chain. He's already busy at work he's sharpening the chain, but we're going to take it apart and blow it out. Then he's going to go back in and finish what he's doing. First we got to put eye protection on him because he's going to be blowing it out. Don't make him any cuter, but
Sure it does.
alright. Remember, what do we got? I don't remember how you take this apart. Okay, you gotta take that off. I've never had this one apart before.
I had it apart many times because it came apart every time I used it. To be honest with you folks, they're not the best out there, but for my condition, with help I can use it. But again, I want to make a video out of it because for safety reasons, just like that. See?
Oh, that comes off pretty good.
Now see this? This part here, you want pots off all the time. If you see that? One of my friends used to help me cut wood all the time, and I'll get half into a log, and I'll let it get pop.
Okay. Alright, I don't want to blow it at the camera, so we're just going to do it on the side here. I'll blow the blade out. That took almost all of it out of there. Don't really have to wipe it out. It don't have to be that clean.
I got my hand dirty already. That's alright though. See this right here?
Yeah.
That's where it always gets from.
Yep. Well, that's your drive.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we'll put this back together. Go ahead and push that down on there. Turn it a little bit, maybe. Yeah. Doesn't want to go too good.
I gotta clean this part up too.
Oh yeah. Why don't we do that? I'll just set this down for now. That's really dirty.
Let me show it to the camera first.
That's really bad in there. We'll give that a cleaning.
More than I Philly. No, I'm just kidding.
That looks pretty good. Okay. Now we'll get the saw back up here.
Almost forgot about that part. the hard part because you turn it to the right though. I think.
I'm backwards.
Take your time.
Okay. Spin that on down a ways. Stop there for a second. Let's see if this will tighten it or not. Okay, go ahead, tighten a little bit more. Okay. All right. Try. Now loosen a little, tighten this up a little. Okay. We try it, but we didn't bring a battery. Let me get a rag, we'll wipe it down. Not that it matters, because as soon as you start again, it's going to be all dirty. But you always clean them out once in a while to make sure that they don't overheat or get stuff jammed in there that's going to make it not work. Okay, back to, let me blow you off a little bit, because that kept most of it off you, but
I ain't gonna feel nothing hit me.
it's all over. Alright, we're going to the movies later. Brandon already picked the seat, get it? He picked this seat? Okay, go ahead back and start. Let's see, we're working on that one, so
Then this one.
I'll do this one right here. Now, we're not going to show you all this. We're not going to fast forward it. We're just going to show you. That's how you sharpen the chain on a chainsaw. It has to be a certain angle. And there's actually a little mark on the top of the tooth to show you what the angle should be. So you just make sure you keep it at that angle. And you just keep going back one way. You only sharpen in the outward direction. And that's how you sharpen the chain on the chainsaw. So we're going to just keep going here for the next half hour. And then we have another chainsaw to do, so we'll probably just bring you back in when we start on that one.
Now as you notice, my friends, I'm still disabled. I'm still in my power chair. I'm still working with my friend. I'm having a good time, enjoying my job. And I enjoy doing what I do best. Even though that I'm disabled, doesn't mean I sit on my ass all day. So that's something I want to do, that's my choice.
Today's another rainy
I'll see you on the other side.
We are going to sharpen the chainsaw.
Which is what?
That is a Husqvarna. And it's a nice size, it's a smaller saw, but it does the job really well. It's like a medium saw. So we're going to do the same thing on this one. We're going to take the bar off, and he already has a ratchet on there, so he's just going to go ahead and see if that'll break loose. Now we got to watch. Hang on one second. Let me give you a hand for a second. Let me turn this the other way so you don't hit the bar.
So it has to be, yeah.
Okay, so you're going to go this way with it, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to turn it that way. Yep. A little bumpy here. I had to get back to where I was holding it. So yeah, we're going to take the side off this and we're going to blow it out just like we did the other one. So let's put the camera down and go over and give him a hand with that. Okay, that one I should be able to get off my hand now. Go ahead. Oh, it's off. Let me get it out.
That's what she said.
Okay, I'll go ahead and do the other one. While you're doing that, I'm going to go turn the air compressor back on.
Now, maybe there's some noise, I don't know, guys, but it's loud.
Well, I'm just going to turn the air on, not the compressor, so it's not going to make noise.
Well, I wouldn't know what you're doing. Now, this chainsaw came from from a friend of mine. Well, he's not my friend, but one of my guys that I used to know a little bit here and there heard about him, and it just stayed at the house where I was at. And my dad is not very good at sharpening chainsaws. He doesn't have the patience to do it, and he don't have the strength in his arms anymore. And since I looked it up on YouTube how to do it, and I'll put the guy's name down below what he does and how he does it. He don't do it this way, but he does it because he does it with a machine for the grinder, and it's amazing how he does it.
Scrape some of that out of there.
I need to turn this around on my hand, please.
Some of it you got to scrape out because it won't blow out with the air gun.
Now this can be you can bring that camera in closer if you want. Even though, again, if I have a disability, you can see me working here, and it might take me a longer time than my buddy behind the camera, but I'm doing it. Okay? And it may not be the right way, but you know what? I'm doing it. On this side. I think. Give it a shot.
Yeah, let me hold it up like this. Go ahead and try to get that stuff out of there.
I think your buddy got back to you too. On your phone.
I saw it. Thank you.
Yep, just reminding him. Okay, now if you can see what's in there, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you knock it out and just do the best you can to get it out of here. I think this is old sawdust or something.
Sawdust and oil together. Yeah, quite a bit coming out of there.
Now this never been cleaned, so since I've been using it.
This one we're going to take a little bit of cleaner on it and try to get some of it out.
What are you using?
This is brake clean. I don't have anything else to use, so. Yeah. Don't have to get it all out. Maybe I'll get some type of brush and get down in
Why
there.
didn't you get a wire brush? Would that help it?
Yeah, we can get some out with a wire brush probably.
Now again, I wonder if, there you go. Right there.
There you go. Try to use that down in there. Kind of just brush a little bit.
No, I'm just using this wooden brush here now. Or finding just to get in the tight corners.
I think that'll be good enough. Like I said, you don't have to get it all out of there because it's going to go right back in.
The screws right here.
Yeah, okay, that's that part of it.
You want to straight this one too, or that one?
Yeah, go ahead and do across there. I'll do down in the hole over here.
Down in the whole way.
Yeah, down the hole. Okay. Go to the air again. Try to blow a little bit of cleaner in there.
Want to say hi to my friends? You want to say hi to my friends? Hi.
Okay, that'll be good enough. So now we'll get it put back together.
You want to take this off first or no?
We'll do that last. We'll see if we're going to do that. Gonna wipe down the, this isn't too bad, looks like a pretty good bar. So we gotta set the bar back in place. Okay, hold down the back of it here for me. Okay. Does nice to have an extra set of hands. Okay, now let me hold down. Now let me get this in there. Move your finger a minute.
Made by John Deere. I believe they stopped making it in 1972. It has 2,400 hours on it. That's it. It was their loader tractor out on the farm.
If you hear anything in the background, you hear a TV. I got a TV in that big room.
Go ahead and put down that.
Because they're spoiled here.
They are magnificent. Oh, and it looks like even the Easter Bunny's representative approved during his inspection a few days ago. Up on that 1971 John Deere 4020 on the Stauffenberg farm at Manteno, Illinois. The FFA Chapter Tribune is sponsored by Nationwide.
Okay, let me see it a second.
To register your FFA
Get the blade back on.
supports FFA.com. That's Nationwide supports FFA.com. Nationwide. We stand for you. This week
Okay.
Glencoe Silver Lake FFA.
Grab the handle. This here.
The city of Glencoe is a growing community of nearly 6,000 people.
I have.
Just 50 miles west of Minneapolis.
Okay.
St. Paul.
Now here we go. Grab this handle. Put that back on. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah, bring it up this way. Okay. Back one. Okay, hold down on it. Just hold some pressure down on it. Alright, I'll get the nuts.
Right there.
FFA member Haley Kirkhoff shares some of her
One started.
experience.
So I did Charlie Pearl my 9th grade and my 10th grade.
There's two started. What's Billy gonna do?
And I have learned how to
Go?
from small animals.
Ah, he's a mute today. He can't talk.
I bet if I offered him a piece of cake, he'll go with you some more.
This is proud to salute the Glencoe
What's
Silver
that
Lake
techno?
FFA chapter.
That's. I gotta back this off That's how you
Something to change. Oh, yeah.
tighten the chain.
Tighten the chain after.
So I gotta find out where it drops in the hole. Oops, there went that. Forgot we're working on your table.
Winter has finally come to an end.
Okay.
As a
On the table that I'm using that's on my chair, this guy made it for me right here. Many years ago. What, 8 years ago now?
I don't remember, it's been a long time.
I'm moving it's been through hell and back and it's still together. So in other words, he does great work what he does. When he wants to. Right?
Alright. Come on. There it goes. Okay, go ahead and tighten those up.
You turn the thing?
Go ahead. Yep, I already turned it. Go ahead and.
featuring 3 new dishes that are planked to perfection. Cedar plank lobster and shrimp, or new colossal shrimp and salmon with a citrusy drizzle. Tender, smoky, and together on one plank. But not for long, so hurry in. Mr. Armstrong. This goes down to what he called it. The first take of melody music. Come on down and see me play tonight.
How do you make your living, Mr. Bowden?
Okay, do the other one now. I might have to loosen it back up a little bit.
I'm trying to pour it off.
'Cause I gotta tighten the chain up yet.
Who said that on there for me? Would you please?
Okay.
I'm sorry about the language, folks.
Unstoppable. The right time can help you move the world.
Come on, get on there.
And
Okay.
with the new Nissan Altima, you not only move the world, you can make moves for your future.
Okay. Alright, let me have it. I gotta loosen them up just a hair. And then try to tighten the chain.
And what happens if you don't hit? What happens if you don't sharpen it? Don't tighten up the chain?
It falls off.
And then what happens? You're stuck in the woods, and they won't bring any tools. You're screwed, right?
Right. Why it's not going on here? Come on. There we go. Now I just have to tighten it.
I'm still working on getting the editor to work 100%. The reason why it's flashing the name of my video, the name of the editor that I'm using, that's beyond my ability to figure out. I think I gotta pay for it to stop that. But right now I just don't have the money to pay for that. And don't get me wrong, it's a great editor, but I don't have the money to pay for it right now.
Okay, I'll snug those back up. And now I'm going to get them to start sharpening. Get them sharpened just like you did on the other one.
I think you put it over there somewhere. Now this is like heaven to me. I enjoy doing this stuff. I like doing it a lot. It's something that, you know, I love logging, I love cutting trees, I love skidding logs. I'm trying to get a couple of videos of that here in the future. Hopefully this summer. I don't know how that's gonna go, but since I got rid of my
Okay, we can take this off now so you can see. When we're blowing, we always use goggles, but doing this, you should have them on, but you don't have to because you're not doing anything real bad. Okay, this is going to take them a while, so we're just going to not bore you, and maybe we'll see you in a little bit.
When we take the oil filter
So we
off,
already sharpened the
like on there for
chainsaw.
you,
Now
yeah,
we
okay.
decided we're going to take the air filter off. Might as well clean that. So Brandon's taking the screws out of the top. There's 3 screws, Torxes that you got to take out. That should be about it.
We should be able to pop off now.
Let me just make sure. Maybe 1 or 2 more screws. And then that's got to come off. Go ahead and pull that off the rest of the way.
Okay, my friends, this hasn't been clean since I don't know when, so.
A little bit shaky here. Okay. That's the air filter. Maybe we'll take that off and try cleaning it out a little bit. So
Okay.
I have to get us a regular screwdriver.
Just keep it rolling, be good.
Okay, so we gotta take these out here.
That's a real good-looking young.
I know how to take them out, I just can't get my hand to do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, you just hold on the saw like you are, and that'll hold it in place.
Want me to pick it up for you too?
No, that's okay. All right.
That's dirty.
A little dirty. Let's take some brake clean and clean it out a little bit. Not too bad.
That's surprisingly.
Okay. Now we try not to touch it too much, putting it back on or we'll get it dirty again.
Especially with my friend's hands, he's always dirty.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead and put the top back on, that lid. Right up in there and push it forward. Okay, down.
That's not it. The
There you
screws
go.
are not- the screws are not hitting the holes.
Okay, and let's see. Yeah, it's still out of place a little bit. That look better?
Yeah, what's better than me, but I can't tell from
Well,
inside.
let's see if the screw works. Okay, yep. That screw started. That screw started. Okay, go ahead and finish that one up. The other way.
I'm gonna hold this so I can turn it the other way.
There you go.
Is it working?
It's working. Nope. Good. There you go. Alright, that should be tight enough.
I got a couple more threads to go down.
Couple
in.
more threads?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see.
And do it the last couple. Make sure these are all tight.
That's better. Well, this one should start, so.
We'll do that when we're testing it.
And if we get to that, we'll get you on the camera. If not, then sorry, because I won't be on the video because Paul's running outside.
And we're going to do it.
Got them straight. That's fine with me. Now we're gonna have my friend Billy Ed clean it up. Right, Billy Ed?
I'm watching TV.
What else is new?
I'm having trouble with the connection. Please try again in a little bit.
Now I'm going to run the vacuum. If you guys want to see that, I'll be in the video too. So, well, we'll pause it right here for now, and then when he gets me associated on that, we'll go from there.
Now.
They're going now. Sorry guys about that. We're now going to clean up my mess that my friend made for me to clean up, which is fine. I have no problem with that. And then once we turn that out for you, we'll go from there. That's clean enough, right?
No, you keep going. Sounds like the vacuum needs cleaning, so I think he's done enough for today.
I'll go from there, my friends. I'll get this up by tonight, if not tonight, then tomorrow. So thank you for watching.